What is up, YouTube? It's your boy KingZyy. You already know I'm back with another banger for y'all boys. Hey man, if you're new to the channel and this your first time checking my channel out or clicking on one of my videos, man, please go ahead down there, right there, right there. Click that subscribe button and click all notifications so you be notified when I upload all my content. We lit over here.
Me and Zy, we go way back. Hitting bitches since way back. Don't say you love me, you don't mean that. Say fuck 12 and free Kojak. Used to hit a list and run a 4 flat. Said me and my brother for a double pack. I got diamonds dancing all on my neck. 2019, let's run up a check. They said I wouldn't do it, but now I'm back. I'm on the ass like a fitted cow. I'm putting on for my city, yeah. My niggas know when it comes to that.
Y'all clicked on this video because, it was like, I want to see what Zy update looking like. This is 6-month update. What his hair doing? What his hair? I got y'all. And I also, y'all can tell from the title, I got my DIY rose water for y'all. So I'm going to show y'all how to make that. Get you some rose water. Get your hair smelling good and moisturized. So yeah, stay tuned in that. We about to go ahead and get into it. So yeah, 6 months in. Today is the 10th. I usually do my updates either on the 10th or the 14th. It's exactly December 10th right now. Y'all can see, did y'all see that? Yeah, I love this camera, man. That thing focus so quick. But yeah, what was I about to say? December 10th, it's the update. 6 months in, still in the immature stage. Still got a lot of frizz, as y'all can see. Still got stuff going on. But I'm gonna go ahead and take it out this ponytail because I just not too long ago came back from the gym. And y'all hear my son in the background. He in the living room with his auntie. These boys getting long now, man. I'm talking about got some shake on me. Yo. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a 360. This is the front. Left side. This is the back. Hopefully y'all can see it. Cause I know last time I didn't get a good view of it, but try to stay there for a while so y'all can see. And then this is the right side. So typically what y'all wanna do and how y'all wanna make the DIY rose water, get you some roses or some just about to die roses and watch this video and then you can find out how to do it. So obviously this is not me doing this, but you want to get you some water, distilled, whatever you want to use if you can afford, what you can afford. When I was doing this, I forgot to record because, I was just so anxious to go ahead and do it. So yeah, y'all get you some water, sit it on the stove. Start off and with the water, boil and get the water to a boil before you go in and add the roses. You can add like 3 to 4 roses depending on how much you're trying to make. Y'all see her, she getting ready to put them in soon. Yeah, you can use them when they almost dead. You want to get your use out of your roses. Get them to the boil. Boil them for at least about, I boiled mine for like 5 to 10 minutes. That way you can get them, to your liking. Get all the stuff out of the roses. Yeah, y'all can go ahead and watch this. Of course, the roses are going to change, color afterwards. Make sure you let it cool down before you let anything out so you won't burn yourself. Or you can do like I did and go ahead and pour it in a strainer and, like she's doing. And empty it out. Let it cool off before you put it in your hair. And then you got your DIY rose water. Okay, what I've been doing just to test it out because I seen Desrin. If y'all know who Desrin is, she is another YouTuber that do locks. She has rose water and she did a DIY rose water and also Daelocs. I usually see most of the women do it. I don't really see men do it, but I did it because, it's like a moisturizer. I got some right here. It's way more, it's more potent than the rose water that they said that they got. I haven't had any rose water that I ordered, but I know one thing: when you getting out the gym, you spraying this on your hair, you know you done been sweating and all that. That sweat smell will not be in your hair if you're using your rose water. So that's why if you going to the gym, make you some rose water or order you some rose water. It's always best to do it natural. For those of you that want to do natural, get your own roses, boil it, you know, put your own ingredients in it. Also, for those of you that don't know, I was also using Naya the Lock God mist. That also works good. I just ran out of it, and I'm in the process of ordering some more. But these two oils right here, I kind of fluctuate between these two right here. These are the best oil on the market. I'm telling you, this Talia YG and the Lock God Stimulating Oil. I'm telling y'all, get you some. I'm gonna put the links for the Lock God stuff in the comments. And yeah, so this is basically what I do. I usually have my hair back like this when I'm in the gym, and I'll probably have like a headband on, you know, for sweat or whatnot, to reduce the sweat so to be in the headband, but your lock's still gonna get wet. What people don't know is that water actually does help your hair lock up faster. And what I mean by that, water compresses, it stretches out your hair, and then it compresses it back together, so it's taking your curls and stretching them out and then elongating them and then tightening them back up. But what I do, spray it up in my hair. And then I don't know how the regular rose water smell, but this is real strong and it smells good. And that's all I do. And sometimes, like, if I want to have it in like a little style after, I'll put one ponytail in on the side and rock it like that. Y'all already seen that video. But yeah, or I have half up, half down, leave one hanging. So yeah, that's the video for y'all for that, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all have any other type of lock content that y'all want to see me do, specifically, hit me up in my DMs, anything, Snapchat, all that information is going to be in the description box. Like I said, man, thank you guys for subscribing and tuning into my videos. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell down there so you can be notified when I upload all my content. Appreciate y'all for tapping in. Go check out that music video that Money Said Tay just dropped. He is also the person in my intro, that song. So all that is going to be in the link in description. So y'all check that out.